Hey guys, it's Jimmy and welcome to the workshop sessions. Today I'm going to share with you a move that I came up with called TING. It's a cool move that fires a ring from one hand and lands on the finger. Now it's a great move because it sets you up kind of to do other stuff. Yeah, you need a little bit of skill to do it, and then you can do a simpler magic move and then it kind of amps up the effect of both moves. So today's video features the collusion ring. So links are in the description below. If you like the ring, head over to MechanicIndustries.com and check it out. There's so much more to this set than just the ring. So let's get into how to do the move. So all we're going to do is kind of like the pumpkin seed vanish. So we're going to build up pressure with our thumb and index finger, and it's going to cause this ring to shoot out. So like I say, it's usually done from here and it's fired up the sleeve and as a vanish. But I do it, instead of from my right hand, I do it from my left hand, and I keep it really horizontal. It's going to actually spin off my index finger, so it's not really coming off. It's not really coming off the thumb. It's actually getting spun off the index. So it's going to spin this way, kind of clockwise. So first thing to get used to is just spinning it from hand to hand. So you've probably seen the ring catch done, where you spin it up and catch it on the finger. So this is kind of similar, so you just have to get used to kind of coming down with the finger like this. But it's a little bit different with ting. So it's called ting because you get a nice ting kind of sound. And thanks to all the detailing on this ring, you really get maximum kind of grip and maximum spin. So the first thing is just to get used to spinning this ring so it spins horizontally from hand to hand. So just get used to that, and then eventually you'll be able to hold the finger out and it will spin and it will land on the finger. So it helps size wise for this ring. So the size for me is it will fit on the thumb, and then that will allow it to go over the index finger really easy. So that's quite an important part. So if you're doing it with a really tight ring for your index finger, then it's going to make it a little bit more difficult. And then it's just practice until you can do this a few times in a row. So you'll be able to do it a few times in a row to begin with, and then you'll just carry on until you can't not do it. So it kind of becomes second nature after a little while, and you'll start to hit it more times than you miss, and at that point then you can perform it. So that is ting, and it's a lovely move to use as a precursor for other stuff.